Last 5 days we have answered 150 assignments and assigned vehicles.
Pandit.
1,15,000.
1 second, Ms. Pandit. Ms. Pandit, the issue is this. There is an existing contract. You are not cancelling part of it. You are assigning it. This, whether it is factually working, not working, is a matter of adjudication by the adjudicatory authority, whatever is the mechanism, whether it's arbitration or alternative dispute or a civil court. But fact is, there cannot be two subsisting contracts for the same work. You cancel you can, in terms of that clause, you may cancel their contract, they will have their remedy. Their contract is not being cancelled.
The only difficulty is, terminating the contract. It is an emergency service. They have to continue because there are certain other software which are integrated with the CAD system, which has to continue to run.
We are not saying terminate their contract as a whole. You have a clause which says in case they are not performing, you have the right to take away a portion of it and give it to somebody else. That's the right you have exercised. Now they are also provided, they are also going to provide it. How do you have a system with, it's still in their scope of work. Now you've assigned that part of scope of work to somebody else without cancelling it. That is the issue. If you wrongly cancel it, he'll have his remedy in whatever forum. So this factual dispute, whether it was assigned 45 kilometers, is not something which we are going to adjudicate in 2 to 6 proceedings.
That is one part. And out of lakhs of calls answered, assigned, you can't pick up
Mr.
one
Nagrath,
call and highlight that.
Mr. Nagrath, at best, it would be a wrongful termination of contract.
That is a different thing, yes.
You will have your remedy.
That's correct.
We can't stop or stay when there is a clause which says if they feel you are not performing,
I go down
give it
to
to
that,
somebody else.
I'm just going a little further. This software, my lord, we are doing it in 23 states in the country.
Maybe.
It is not that, and
It is possible.
who have they selected? They have selected a person who has zero experience by removing a clause which said that you must have an experience of doing this in 3 cities of 10 lakhs population. They have deleted that clause to include that person.
Mr. Nagrath, this is not subject matter of this petition.
Milord, we have challenged award to him, Milord.
On what ground? That your contract can't be given
That
to
is one
somebody
part.
else. That is the only ground.
And second, on merits, after deleting a clause of mandatory requirement of having experience in 3 cities of 10 lakh population, they have deleted that clause. So totally novice person, Milord, having zero experience, he has come to supply the software, Milord.
Well, they'll come back to you then. If they face further problem, they'll come back to you.
Milord,
They are not terminating your entire contract.
they are not even doing anything, Milord. They cannot terminate this part, Milord. I can say that.
We don't know. They have to take some
It's
action.
an integral part. They can't pull out one part of it and cancel it, Milord.
But they've not done it.
Entire system will collapse.
They have to take a call.
If this CAD software is replaced, there will be no interlinking with the 1200 vehicles. There will be no GPS locations. We have agreements with the service providers, Airtel, Jio, etc. to give us the locations. We have agreement with Map My India for apps.
The infrastructure and the hardware is situated in the command center at home.
And Milord,
the ownership of the...
You see, you don't need GPS locations.
Milord, just
You
one
don't,
more.
because in the other contract where Mr. Avasthi is appearing, they have done away with GPS locations of vehicles. You deleted from the scope. Anyways, that we'll deal with it at that stage.
That earlier petition was a different scope, Your Lordship. That was in respect of whether a certification was available with them or not.
Milords, at page 339, Milords, for this performance, there is clause 90, P2 at 339. It has 3 slabs of service. Lordship may see page P2 339. They are talking of the performance. Their clause 90 is, Milord, minimum acceptable level of service. That is clause having 3 slabs. We are not even...
One second. Come to clause 28.2.
Yes, Your Lordship, that is the very clause that I...
Now, if you terminate, you are not liable to make payment. And unless you terminate, you can't get it done from somewhere else. In the event terminates in whole or pursuant to the terms, it may procure upon such terms as it deems of systems or services similar to those undelivered.
Insofar as 54.18 is concerned.
That has to be read in context with 28.2.
Then, at their risk and cost.
So, if you don't terminate this part of their contract, you will continue to be liable to pay to them. You can't deduct their amount.
54.42, Your Lordship may also kindly... 54.42.
58.42.
54.40 at page 267. In case it is found that any dial 112 equipment of fleet or SCC provided by SI, the system integrator,
It's not missing, not working, not covered. It's all covered.
is found missing or non-working or not covered in AMC due to the reason solely attributable to the SI,
Where is the SI missing?
which is not
Where is the
working, non-working.
fleet missing or not working?
No, it includes IT, non-IT and consumables. So dial 112 equipment includes the IT portion.
It's existing. It's not
Missing non-working, it also says
is
non-working.
working. What you are saying is not working as per your specification. It is working. Instead of 10 kilometers, they're sending someone from 100 kilometers. So it's working. You have to take a call. You'll have to either terminate this part of the contract.
We even initiated conciliation proceedings under the contract. They are totally silent. They are avoiding even that. Page 254, my lord, we even issued them a conciliation notice. Lordship may see that, my lord.
That remedy annexure P8. You don't
And we initiated wide annexure P8, mediation and conciliation. They are not doing it, my lord. It provides for three persons to deal with the matter and take a call. We have written them, my lord, wide P8 and P9.
You constitute a 3-member committee, conciliate this dispute.
Let it be done, my lord.
Your Lordship, my
Conciliation
submission-
need not result in a settlement. Conciliation effort made to resolve disputes.
Your Lordship, the system failures cannot be
Ms. Pandit,
rectified in by way
Ms.
of
Pandit, we are not
conciliation.
saying, you see, conciliation does not necessarily entail that you have to accept their request and there is a settlement. Conciliation means maybe amicably you terminate part of the contract, hand it over to somebody else. Conciliation is, and 3-member to be nominated by you.
Your Lordship, we will do that.
Go for conciliation.
Your Lordship, may
There is
kindly
also an arbitration clause, my lord.
It's after that.
If conciliation fails, then arbitration.
Your Lordship, kindly consider my
They can
submission.
approach the
If the part of the contract or the component of CAD and speech to text is terminated by us, he may not withdraw the other systems and softwares which
We
are-
don't know.
We may,
He may or may not.
we may take the risk.
Because it is the property of the state.
they
Yes,
cannot
Pandit.
go against
Yes,
the
Pandit.
system of one
Why are
one,
we,
Terminate
why are
the
we,
entire contract then.
you are creating that situation. We are not saying what he would do. It's up to him. He may not find it viable. He may want to terminate the contract.
It is an emergency services, we would be forced to terminate the entire contract in that situation.
Up to you.
If he withdraws the,
You see, in case he wrongfully withdraws, he'll be liable for the consequences. If you wrongfully terminate, you'll be liable for the consequences.
Clause
We are
28, my lord,
presupposed-
takes care of if
We are prejudging the issue. That is why conciliation, sit on the table, he may agree, all right, give me this much less, we'll work it out, not work it out, he's going out, you can always
I
put
may
term.
justify it to them.
Or you may give some time for transition. Up to, that is
there
something.
is an exit management plan also
We,
in the-
why, all this, Ms. Pandit, has to be decided sitting across the table. You constitute a 3-member committee, let them decide.
In the meanwhile, your Lordship, I am praying.
In the
that
meantime, we've already said services will not be disrupted.
Yes, we will not.
we may be permitted to switch the services because
First, go for conciliation.
the
If,
only problem is, your Lordship, there is a system failure of 55 minutes on 16th of February, there was a system failure. 55 minutes, the entire system has placed it on record, your Lordship, may kindly sit for a moment.
and what are the credentials of the person to whom you have awarded the contract? What is your work experience?
My lord, I have worked with UP Police, my lord, for one
You
month.
worked with UP Police, could
Yes,
be
sir.
as an investigator, as a system provider?
No, my lord.
Have you provided this system?
For similar work, my lord, I have.
What kind of work have you done? What is his work experience?
My lord, I am.
You are who?
When we floated.
One second. आप कौन है?
I'm representing
My lord, he is.
She is the.
Yes, my lord. Representative
What is your
of
work
the-
experience?
So we are providing the emergency monitoring and operation system in P12, sir, which takes care of almost every integrations possible.
You're providing it only UP.
Yes, sir, UP12.
That is completely different. So
Anyway, sit across the table, resolve it.
And here also, sir, we may be permitted to speak to, I don't know.
No, no, we're not saying no, but if we need a technical help, we'll ask you. So sit across the table and resolve it.
We have approached them twice, my lord. We can't be more bona fide, my lord.
The committee and
You are saying yes, your officer is saying no.
Arre,
All right, they're approaching us to request you to go for conciliation. No, in terms of this contract, the contract, appoint a conciliator, see if you can resolve it. If you can't resolve it, you'll be back in any case before us, we'll deal with it.
Annexure P8 at 507, we further humbly request your good self to kindly intervene and withdrawal of tender floated for SCAD system, and then so that we are able to execute, and we would like to use the services of a mediator under the conciliation process for resolution of dispute as per 46.1. This is P8. And then P9, my lord, page 518, same request, and they say that we have not approached them, my lord. Twice, my lord. P8 and P9 we have approached them twice. Only thing is that police mindset has to change, my lord.
Now, first is mediation, then is conciliation.
We have approached for the white P8, we said mediate or conciliate, do something.
So what do you want? Mediation, conciliation?
Serial number 31 is the settlement of the dispute, Your Lordship.
Sorry?
Clause 31 is the settlement of dispute. 246, page 246.
So first mediation or straight away conciliation?
My lord, straight away conciliation. Mediation, I don't think anything is.
No. Learned counsel for the petitioner as well as respondent number 1 pray that an opportunity be given to the parties to resolve the dispute through conciliation in terms of clause 46.1 of the contract. Instead of keeping in view the nature of the services being provided, we direct the clause 46.1 reads as under Pura clause code. Keeping in view the nature of services being provided, we deem it expedient to direct the respondent to immediately constitute a committee of constitute a 3-member committee of independent persons to conciliate the dispute with the petitioners. The party shall appear before the conciliator on day after tomorrow.
They have to constitute also, my lord. They have
They'll constitute it in a day. First. But please constitute an independent committee. We don't want that you have your own officers in the committee. Constitute an independent committee. You have the right to constitute anybody you want to, but let it be an independent person. Sorry?
I have made huge investment, my lord. Let my system be tested, my lord, in the meanwhile.
They may continue test. We have not stayed the testing. We have only said we'll ensure.
Status, my lord has set status quo, my lord.
You can't switch off his system and test yours.
It won't be switched off, my lord. It will be a gradual transition, my lord.
We have only said what is the interim we have passed.
Switch the system to the fresh agency.
It has not started.
software.
You see, the present status will continue. You want to test their system, you test their system. But
They
not
should-
by interfering in the present status.
Yes, they can't interfere in that.
My lord may clarify that.
My lord,
We have
I was-
only said status quo in so. Sorry?
We cannot, being an emergency service, Your Lordship, we cannot take a risk with the system failing if it is the system.
So what are you going to conciliation for? If out of 100,000 call, one call fails,
No, that is, it is not an off and one call. There are several
well,
incidents.
Pandit, take a call. You want to go for conciliation, you don't want to go for conciliation.
इसमें कंटिन्यूसली ऐसा हो रहा है फेलियर के अलावा सिस्टम फेलियर सिर्फ कॉल सेंटर में होता है जिसमें कि कॉल्स आते हैं लेकिन सर चैट काम नहीं करता है, कोई डेटाबेस क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा है और जो डेटाबेस क्रिएट हो रहा है सिर्फ पूरा फॉल्स है। गाड़ियां जो सिर्फ पास वाली अवेलेबल है इसके लिए सर
Then you terminate their contract. Then you terminate. अगर इनका सिस्टम इतना खराब है, terminate it.
सर राइटिंग में हमें बहुत सारे नोटिस इवेंट नंबर के साथ दिए सर, उसके बाद भी रेक्टिफाई नहीं हो रहे सर और सर ये रिपीटेडली हो रहा है और बार-बार होता जा रहा है सर।
Ms. Thakur, if the system is not working, take an action. You can't say you may parallelly test their system कि इनका उसको टेस्ट कर लीजिए. We are not, their status will continue.
I did not mention, my lord. Couple of days ago, my lord, last hearing, 11 o'clock in the night, my lord, they barged in with the police support and tried to overtake everything, my lord. I didn't say that, my lord. And if they are doubting it, my lord, call for the CCTV recording of that, my lord. I am not mentioning because we are dealing with police.
Anyway,
That's why I am saying they are treating us as if we are accused sitting in a police station, my lord. They are not treating us as a
Anyways,
party to a contract.
status quo will continue as on obtaining. When do you want the matter?
These pleadings, Your Lordship, we have not been made aware of these pleadings. They are just a.
No, this is not a pleading. I am saying on the dais that this is, I did not mention, I didn't want to create an issue of that, but this is what is being done. And look at the prejudice the police has, my lord.
सर सारा जो एक्सेस है सर्वर्स है सर इनके पास है, आईडी पासवर्ड इनके पास है सर। और 16 को शाम को सर हुआ था सिस्टम फेलियर 55 मिनट्स के लिए कंटिन्यू। वर्बली इन्होंने बोला किसी ने सर्वर के साथ में छेड़छाड़ की है, और बाद में सर पता चला कि सर्वर का एक्सेस सिर्फ इन्हीं के पास है, छेड़छाड़ की इन्हीं की किसी एम्प्लॉय की।
Midnight of the last hearing at 11 and 12 o'clock they barged in, my lord, and wanted to take over to make a statement that we are doing it, my lord. This is what is happening, and they know it will collapse. It cannot. The moment we walk out of the system, everything will collapse. And my lord, this is the chart. In last 5 days we have assigned 1,15,000 vehicles, my lord. This is the data. I am not. This is the official data. In last 5 days. Then have it and then.
On 1 lakh incorrectly.
Not all of them, but there have been incidents, your lordship.
You have pointed out only 20 instances.
No, there are several
If
others,
the
your
20
lordship,
out of
we
1
filed it
lakh.
in the reply.
Not
20 out of 1 lakh we can
my
understand.
lord, 1 lakh is February, 15 days. My lord, have a look at this chart. My lord, have a look at this chart. ये देखा ना?
And real number 16, a district-wide data would be provided by us, your lordship.
नहीं उनको बोलेंगे तो
7 lakh, 7
There are 86
नहीं,
wrong
बोलेंगे तो
assignments
वैसे नहीं
on zone.
In one day, 86, my lord, 16.
Is there any clause that if the vehicle, nearest vehicle is engaged in some other assignment, then vehicle at a distance will be assigned the one?
My lord, somebody is already going in an emergency to a particular location. At that point, it was the nearest vehicle.
Okay.
Now
the nearest vehicle is a
it happens to pass by a new event generated. We can't cancel it and let that person die and assign this vehicle to this. They can't do that. It's like booking Ola, Uber, my lord.
whether there is a
My lord, it's like,
that if your nearest vehicle is already assigned a
I'll just
assign a
explain.
vehicle from 100
My
kilometers.
lord, like we book Ola, Uber on the app. A vehicle is assigned. Now he may be standing on the red light. The policeman is sitting in the vehicle. He is in control of the vehicle. My lord, the key is CAD software is origination of call and assignment of the vehicle. The moment vehicle is assigned, we have uploaded the chart 2 minutes time.
90 किलोमीटर वाला मैनुअल असाइनमेंट है, पुलिस की तरह है, लेकिन वो सिर्फ वन साइड ऑफ इंसिडेंट उसमें भी जिसमें इनका लूपहोल है 90 किलोमीटर है मैनुअल।
Why did it go in only assignment?
क्योंकि वो स्विच ओवर होते हैं ना, ऑल्टरनेट भी तो होता है ना।
Because it's a failure on automatic.
नहीं अगर जब असाइंड है तो कहीं भी इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता सर। बोल दीजिए वो इनका था 90 किलोमीटर ब्लैक कर रहे हैं, दैट वाज एट देयर बिहेव्ड।
And that 50-90 minute thing, 90 kilometers.
List on 26th February
My lord,
2026.
what I am submitting is, my lord, my system is also in place.
Maybe.
My
There
lord,
is an already
let there
existing.
be a switchover only for 3-4 days, my
No.
lord, till the next date, my lord.
Mr. Verma,
I
there
will
is-
also be tested, my lord.
There is already a contract in existence. There
My
can't
lord,
be somebody else coming
The
in.
problem is, my
Out
lord,
of 1,15,000 vehicles assigned, example is given of 3 vehicles.
And in 15 days.
Out of 1,15,000, 3 vehicles,
Yes,
3
just have a look,
instances.
my lord. Just have a look.
Lordship may kindly-
It's uploaded also, my
There
lord.
are
अगर
vehicles lying idle near the place of incident which were not assigned. There are instances, your lordship, in fact, real-time instances were created and tested. That
You
is-
want to go for cancellation or should we adjudicate on merit? Tell us, why are we unnecessarily
With
spending
this
time?
approach, I feel, my lord,
Your lordship,
they are so adamant and one-sided as if
12 o'clock.
Conciliation will not
Either, Ms. Pandit, please take a call. If no settlement is possible, we'll adjudicate. Why should we spend time on this and then also hear the matter? If conciliation is not going to happen, tell us, we'll straight away list the matter for hearing.
If it could be taken up at 12 o'clock, I'll request it.
For what?
they want to conciliate or not.
Take instructions from the
All right, come back at 12.
I see a dead end, my lord. This, I don't see anything.